So tonight's video, we're gonna get started pulling the engine out of Steven's car. Not doing a whole lot to this thing. Just kind of gonna clean it up, reseal it, freshen everything up, make it look good. Just kind of make the engine compartment look like the rest of the car. That's our plan anyway. Believe it or not, I have seen a time where we've done this in the woods. Back in the day, somebody break a transmission, mainly me. If you wanted to get out of the hole you was in, you better fix it. Just start by getting all the wiring loose. We're gonna put an alternator conversion kit on this car. How about that? Golly. That is, we'll get a light, check that out. Alright, so I'm gonna see if I can't just let this down till the engine sits right on the barrel and just slide just kind of work the engine back and forth till it slides out on. Not used to really doing this way. We always did it basically with a floor jack. This lift makes everything easy. Alright, so tonight we're going to start tearing this thing down. Try to get some of the sheet metal tore off of it. Get it ready to go to dirt and all. Try to get the carburetor off. Maybe we can get the carburetor in the cleaner. Probably won't get that far tonight, but run into another snag on the front end. The front end is complete. Tie rods are hooked up. The new pitman arm's on. But we had to replace the passenger side metal brake line. And it appears it's too short. We got the wrong one for you. That ain't a big deal. We'll get that straightened out. So we're moving on to the back of the car now, pulling the engine out. You see, we already got that in the video. You'll just kind of tear it down, start cleaning things up. I see some things about this engine I don't like. Imagine that. But you gotta think, this is probably the original engine out of this car. We don't know what's been done to it before. So we're just gonna kind of pick up tools. Call it a 9 right there, that's the stopping point. So we're gonna finish tearing this engine down as far as we're gonna go. I talked with Steven last night. We don't really want to pull the cylinders off of it. We may run this engine for a little while, get some other things done to the car he's wanting to do, and then build him a pretty good road engine, one that he can get out and smoke tires with. So we're going to pull the harmonic balancer off, get this sheet metal right here off, and just kind of start cleaning things up. I say we're wrong. Let's see if I can get my tool right. You gotta have this harmonic balance puller to get this on these Volkswagens. This thing's old, blown my daddy. Maybe we're supposed to turn it to the inside. How about that? Let's try that. That might work. That may work a little better. It seems like it's biting right there anyway. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We don't want that to happen. Figure out a way to hold it right there. Turns over really good when there ain't no heads on it. Probably been a while since this pulley's been off, if it's ever been off. But it's coming. There you go. And that, my friends, is how you pull on my bounce roller. Oil's clean. That's a good thing. I'm gonna tell you something. You want these Volkswagens to run cool, they gotta be clean. That dirt gets caked up on them, caked up in the fins, caked up on the sheet metal. You can't breathe. The engine can't breathe. Air-cooled engine can't breathe. It's gonna run hot. And it's gonna do damage before you ever know it. And why it's very important to keep all this sheet metal clean and, you know, like it's supposed to be. So now we're just starting the cleanup phase. Get it all degreased, cleaned up. See where we're at, see what we got. We did get some parts today. We got a new jug kit. Some other little different things. We about got everything we need to really get after putting this engine back together. That's kind of the plan. Kind of my plan for the weekend. We bought these parts at Ed's, and we stepped it up to a 88mm jug. That wasn't the bad part. The bad part about it, you got underneath the camshaft. You got down in the very bottom of the block. I didn't think I was going to get it out. I was already thinking, we're going to have to split this case. We're going to split this case. We're going to do a rebuild. But never give up, and I got it out. Alright, so to wind this video up, I want to tell you about a show that was some good friends of mine, Kenny and Shelly James, attended this weekend at Air-Cooled Customs in Hazel Green, Alabama. This show's been going on for quite a while. These guys have been doing business for a while. They had a really good turnout, really good show. Congratulations to Shelly with her Volkswagen convertible. She brought home 2 trophies. Shop Mechanics Choice Award and 3rd in show. That's really good. Really proud for her and proud of that car. I'd say she's hooked now. This is her 2nd show. She made it on the big stage. Congratulations. So as we close tonight, I want to tell you about a new project I'm super excited about. Yes, it's another Volkswagen, but this one belongs to me. Something I've been wanting to do for a while. Something a lot of you encouraging me to do. We're going to build a shop car that kind of reflects what kind of work we do here at Riverbank Customs. So stay tuned. It's going to be a little bit before we get started on it, but follow along. There'll be a lot of videos. Thank you very much.